The titanium finish alone is enough to make me feel like I'm holding a mini spaceship. Okay, y'all, today is the day. I got not just one, but two iPhones. I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the desert titanium and the iPhone 16 Pro in the black titanium. 256 gigabytes versus 128 gigabytes. You know we're going big. But more importantly, what does this mean for us content creators? Is it worth it? Let's find out. Can we talk about the new finish for a sec? I mean, desert titanium? Sounds like something out of a futuristic sci-fi movie. And it feels amazing. Super sleek and durable, perfect for all those phone in hand, walking around the city shots. It comes with a 1 meter braided USB-C charging cable with a SIM removal attached to it. So let's get into the details. What makes the iPhone different from their iPhone 15 cousins? First off, the titanium body. Apple decided to give these a glow up, stronger, lighter, and honestly, they feel luxurious. As a content creator, that extra durability is huge. The black titanium, really clean, really nice, a flat black finish to the back with dark titanium bands to the side. And with the desert titanium, the gold is a muted gold. The gold doesn't really pop that much, but it's okay because I'll be using a phone case. But if I put it in different lighting, you may be able to see the gold a little stronger, but it's not as bright as I expected. Now let's talk about the cameras, because let's be real, this is where it counts for us. Both the 16 and the 16 Pro Max come with a new 48 MP main sensor, improved night mode. Vloggers rejoice. It's like we're shooting a mini movie. Now. It comes with 3 lenses for the camera, the ultra wide 13mm, the wide 24mm, and the telephoto lens of 120mm. The Pro and the Pro Max have the same lens. The size and the weight increased a little bit since the 15, but side-by-side comparison, the Pro Max is 227 grams and the Pro is 199 grams. The Pro has a 6.3-inch screen and the Pro Max has a 6.9-inch screen. So just a slight change in the screen from the 15, not very obvious. They can both do HDR and up to 2000 nits peak brightness. The camera control is below the PowerPoint button, so you have quicker access to the photos and video settings. You can press it to take a picture, you can tap or slide to activate the sliders, and if you double tap, it opens up the usual settings that we usually see across the bottom of our screen. But the con for this is the control is a bit harder to use for reels and short form content. It's not that easily accessible for me when I hold it in this position. And if you're into wide shots, this bad boy, the Pro Max, has a larger sensor, which means better dynamic range for those wide angle shots. Think cityscapes, sunset views, and look at my fabulous poses with this angle. All right, time for some real world testing. We're outside in one of my favorite spots to test these cameras out. You know how important it is to get that perfect shot on the go, right? Especially when the lighting isn't ideal. So let's see how these two stack up. Look at this! The new sensor is picking up way more details in the background, even with low lights. Plus it stabilized my shots, which is a must when I'm trying to vlog while walking. And you know, try not to trip over anything. I love this camera option on the side. It comes right up. It gives me the options here on the side as well. I can zoom in or zoom out, and I can also change the setting of the style. It gives me the option for the cameras, style, the tone, the depth, options for the different zooms, the exposure. I just love that. Now on the performance front, both phones are powered by the A17 chip. Translation, these things are fast. Whether you're editing videos on your phone or posting stories, there's zero lags. Trust me, I've tested it out with 20 tabs open and Instagram Live going, still running smooth. So should you upgrade if you're already rocking the iPhone 15? If you're a creator who looks for the best camera, the fastest performance, and all the storage space for content, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are a complete game changer. The titanium finish alone is enough to make me feel like I'm holding a mini spaceship. Plus, with a better camera, improved night mode, and insane video quality, these are a creator's dream. Or even if you just really enjoy taking pictures, videos, this is a dream come true. If I had to pick one, I'm Team Pro Max all the way, and that's why I got the Pro Max and my son got the Pro, but hey, that's just me. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if you've already tried it, if you're thinking to upgrade, or if you just want to stay with your 15. Hit the comment section below and let me know. And guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.